Hey guys, Matt Hennon here with Dye Paintball, and in this video we're going over the M3s Bolt Repair Kit. The parts we're going to need is the dye tool or a pick, the O-ring kit, and your M3s. We're going to go ahead, set the repair bolt kit aside, and remove the bolt from the M3s. Set the body aside, and we're just going to be taking a look at the bolt. We're going to go ahead and disassemble this completely. Once we have the bolt completely disassembled, we're going to go ahead and wipe everything down. We're going to go ahead and remove the O-rings and the springs from the repair bolt kit. Once we have everything out and separated, we're going to go ahead and start with the back cap area and replace both the springs on the push button and the pin. And now the bolt spring itself should just slide out. And we should just be able to go ahead and twist and pull off. Grab the new spring, firmly press. We're going to go ahead, slide this piece back in. We're going to go ahead and now get the pin and the push button reassembled. And we're going to hold this in place as we screw this back cap back on. And we're going to go replace these O-rings. And we have replaced and reassembled the back cap. We're going to go ahead and replace the O-rings on the core. Once we have O-rings removed, we're going to go ahead and wipe down any excessive lube that's inside the grooves of the O-ring where the O-rings sit. I'm going to go ahead and do the same. Now that we have all the O-rings and springs replaced on your M3s Bolt, we're going to go ahead, lube it up with some dye lube as we put it back together. Once we have the entire bolt reassembled, we're going to go ahead, take some more lube, and just lightly lube these outer O-rings. Slide back into your M3s. And that completes the video of replacing the springs and the O-rings on your bolt with the M3s Repair Bolt Kit.